G'day, John Bowe here, home office, quarantining at home because of close contact with a COVID sufferer. So I hope I don't get it, but who knows? It seems to be everywhere now. At Gray's this week, online you'll find an LX SS hatchback, factory 308 and factory Tuxedo Black. And it is fully restored. It is beautiful. I haven't seen it because I can't go out there, but the boys have sent me some pictures of it, and it's just a mint. And it's got some 15 Simmons V5 wheels that make it look really tough. And I reckon probably out of all the Toranas, other than an A9X hatch, this is one of the best and most collectible of all of them. So have a look at Gray's online, classic cars, and have a bid. It's going to be live this week.
If you'd like to keep up with everything that's happening in our classic car and bike department, why don't you join our Facebook page, Gray's Classics Cars and Bikes. And also, if you'd like to keep up to date with the videos we do at Gray's on classic cars and bikes, subscribe to our YouTube channel.